Hello, everyone, and welcome to my podcast. Welcome to Talk Smart English. I am your host, Laiba, and I am very happy to have you here today. Today's topic is very simple, very useful, and very important for you. We are going to talk about easy English conversation for real life. Many people learn English for years. They read books, they watch videos, and they understand a lot. But when it is time to speak, they feel nervous. They don't know what to say. They forget simple words. And sometimes they stay silent. If you feel like this, don't worry. You are not alone. In this podcast, I will help you speak English in a simple and easy way. We will not use difficult grammar. We will not use hard words. We will focus on real-life English, the English you use every day. By the end of this episode, you will learn how to start simple conversations, how to use easy sentences, and how to feel more confident when you speak. So relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat after me when you can. Let's start this journey together. Now let's talk about a very common problem. Many people learn English for a long time. They can understand English when they read or listen, but when they try to speak, they stop. They feel confused and they don't know what to say. Why does this happen? The first reason is fear. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They think, what if I say something wrong? Or what if people laugh at me? Because of this fear, they don't speak at all. The second reason is overthinking. Some people try to make perfect sentences in their mind before speaking. They think too much about grammar. This takes time, and then the moment to speak is gone. The third reason is lack of practice. Speaking is a skill. If you don't practice speaking, you cannot improve. Many learners only read and listen, but they don't speak every day. Another problem is using difficult words. Some learners think they need big and advanced vocabulary. But in real life, we use simple words and short sentences. So remember, the problem is not your ability. The problem is fear, overthinking, and not practicing enough. But don't worry. In the next parts of this podcast, I will show you how to solve these problems step by step. Now let's understand something very important. What is real-life English conversation? Real-life English conversation means the English we use in our daily life. It is simple, natural, and easy to understand. It is not difficult, and it is not full of long grammar rules. For example, in books, you may see long and perfect sentences, but in real life, people speak in short and simple sentences. For example, instead of saying, I would like to inquire about your well-being, people simply say, how are you? Instead of saying, could you please provide me with some assistance? People say, can you help me? This is real-life English, simple, clear, and direct. Real-life conversation is also about communication, not perfection. Your goal is to share your idea, not to speak perfect English. It is okay to make small mistakes. People will still understand you. Also, in real-life conversation, we use common words again and again. We don't try to use difficult vocabulary. We keep it easy so everyone can understand. So remember, real-life English is simple, clear, natural, and useful for daily situations. In the next part, we will see where we use this kind of English in our daily life. Now let's talk about where we use English in our daily life. English is not only for books or exams. We use English in many simple, daily situations. First, we use English at home. You can practice with your family or even by yourself. You can say simple things like, I am eating, I am tired, let's watch TV. These are small sentences, but they help you build confidence. Second, we use English at the market or in a shop. When you buy something, you can speak simple English. For example, how much is this? Can you give me this? I need 1 kilo. These are very common and useful sentences. Third, we use English at school or at the office. You may talk to your teacher, classmates, or coworkers. You can say, can you help me? I have a question. I will finish this work today. Simple English is enough to communicate. Fourth, we use English on phone calls. When you call someone, you don't need big sentences. You can say, hello, how are you? Can I talk to you for a minute? I will call you later. Fifth, we use English with friends. you can practice English in a relaxed way. You can say, "What are you doing? Let's go out. I like this." So you can see English is everywhere in daily life. You don't need perfect English. You just need simple and clear sentences. In the next part, we will learn real examples of easy conversations that you can use every day. Now, this is the most important part of our podcast, basic conversation examples. Here, I will show you simple, real-life conversations. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. 1. Greeting someone. Person A, hello. Person B, hi. Person A, how are you? Person B, I am fine, thank you. And you? Person A, I am good. Very simple and very common. 2. Asking simple questions. Person A, what are you doing? Person B, I am studying. Person A, where are you going? Person B, I am going to the market. Person A, are you busy? Person B, no, I am free. 3. Buying something. Customer, hello. Shopkeeper, hello. Customer, how much is this? Shopkeeper, it is 100 Afghani. Customer, okay, give me one. Shopkeeper, here you go. Customer, thank you. Shopkeeper, you're welcome. 4. Asking for help. Person A, excuse me. Person B, yes. Person A, can you help me? Person B, yes, sure. Person A, where is the bank? Person B, it is near the market. Person A, thank you. Person B, no problem. 5. Talking on the phone. Person A, hello. Person B, hi, how are you? Person A, I am fine. What about you? Person B, I am good. Person A, are you free now? Person B, yes, I am free. Person A, okay, I will call you later. Person B, sure, no problem. 6. Talking with a friend. Person A, hi. Person B, hello. Person A, what are you doing? Person B, nothing much. Person A, let's go out. Person B, okay, let's go. You can see that all these conversations are very simple. No difficult words, no long sentences. This is how people speak in real life. Try to practice these conversations every day. You can practice alone, with a friend, or even in front of a mirror. The more you repeat, the more confident you will become. Now let's talk about some simple tips to help you speak English easily. These tips are very easy, but very powerful. If you follow them every day, you will see improvement. Tip 1. Start with small sentences. Do not try to speak long sentences. Start with short and simple ones. For example, I am happy. I am going. I like this. Small sentences are easier and help you speak faster. Tip 2. Don't worry about grammar. Many learners stop speaking because they think about grammar too much. Remember, communication is more important than perfect grammar. Speak first. Improve later. Tip 3. Practice every day. Speaking is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it becomes weak. Try to speak English every day, even for 5 to 10 minutes. Tip 4. Listen and repeat. Listen to simple English, podcasts, videos, or conversations. Then repeat the sentences. This will improve your pronunciation and confidence. Tip 5. Use common words. You don't need big or difficult words. Use simple and common words that you already know. Simple English is the best English for real life. Tip 6. Speak slowly and clearly. You don't need to speak fast. Speak slowly and clearly. This will help others understand you, and you will feel more confident. So remember, keep it simple, practice daily, and don't be afraid to speak. In the next part, I will give you a simple daily routine to practice your English speaking. Now let's talk about a simple daily practice routine. You don't need many hours. Just 5 to 10 minutes every day is enough if you do it regularly. Step 1. Speak to yourself. 2 to 3 minutes. Start by talking to yourself in English. You can describe what you are doing. For example, I am sitting. I am drinking tea. I am using my phone. This helps you think in English. Step 2. Mirror practice. 2 minutes. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Look at your face and say simple sentences. For example, hello, how are you? My name is Laiba. I am learning English. This builds confidence and improves your speaking. Step 3. Repeat conversations, 2 to 3 minutes. Take the simple conversations we learned earlier. Repeat them again and again. Try to speak like a real conversation. Step 4. Practice with a friend. Optional. If you have a friend, practice together. Ask simple questions and give simple answers. If not, don't worry. You can still practice alone. Step 5. Learn 2 to 3 new sentences daily. Every day, learn a few new sentences and use them. Repeat them many times so you remember them. If you follow this routine every day, you will feel more comfortable speaking English. Remember, small practice every day gives big results. Now let's talk about some common mistakes you should avoid. These mistakes can slow down your progress, so it is important to understand them. Mistake 1. Waiting to be perfect. Many learners think, I will speak when my English is perfect. This is not a good idea. If you wait for perfection, you may never start. Start speaking now, even if your English is not perfect. Mistake 2. Using difficult words. Some people try to use big and advanced words to sound smart, but this makes speaking harder. Always choose simple and easy words. Mistake 3. Not practicing regularly. If you practice today and then stop for many days, you will forget. Consistency is very important. Practice a little every day. Mistake 4. Being afraid of others. Many learners feel shy or afraid of what others will think. But remember, everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Don't let fear stop you from speaking. Mistake 5. Translating everything. Some learners try to translate every sentence from their own language to English. This takes time and creates confusion. Try to think in simple English instead. So avoid these mistakes, keep your English simple, and continue practicing. In the next part, we will talk about motivation and confidence. Now let's talk about motivation and confidence. This is a very important part of learning English. First, I want you to understand something very clearly. Learning English is a journey, not a race. You don't need to become perfect in one day. Every small step is progress. Maybe today you can only speak a few words. That is okay. Tomorrow you will speak a little more. Slowly you will improve. Confidence comes with practice. The more you speak, the more confident you will feel. Even if you make mistakes, don't stop. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Always remember, even native speakers were not perfect when they started as children. They learned step by step. You're doing the same thing now. Believe in yourself. Say to yourself, I can speak English. I will improve every day. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with your past. If you are better than yesterday, that is success. So stay positive, stay consistent, and keep practicing. You are closer to success than you think. Now we have come to the end of this podcast. Today we talked about easy English conversation for real life. We learned why people struggle to speak, what real-life English means, where we use English, and how to practice it in a simple way. We also looked at basic conversation examples, simple speaking tips, a daily practice routine, common mistakes to avoid, and how to stay motivated and confident. I hope this episode helped you understand that English is not difficult. You don't need perfect grammar or big words. You just need simple sentences, daily practice, and confidence. Start small today. Speak a few, practice a little every day, and slowly you will see big improvement in your speaking. Thank you so much for listening to me, Laiba, on Talk Smart English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.